Ase kono fo. Wa mama ji wedi. Dawood eba me cha dia ma me di hye ya kire se okwa obetima ahwe ne so yie. Bra be ma. Me de chew. Dawood eba me cha. Sahwini na do ni ni.
Yankra toyi FD agiato.
Adi. Oi. Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dreaded there. You could debrail. Who said that will complain with Sissini Koowa? Epe Ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who drank a sepan and neck. You could debrail. William, a yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And your cocoa Sicilian drink a sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Miss Roxnasi. Na men serve.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma meme jina brani. Na yeme.
Ah. Na Edusa ya wasese me brabo buye.
Sweetie, me bi komo me mami adwoamwa.
Hey. What dance ye aye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kone kwajudi.
What kaki ya da.
Edusa pray. Obie timinumbi. I just attend for. Kona woman kwadano for. Any the onye mfie dumi.
FDA. Ahwehwe sa adwade nkrato yi mu. Agye atum se eye.
Kumawood TV. Amansane yena yedimu.
Yo, Malaysia, this is the nation's uncle, Offer Bishop Lumba. We are sitting in our family. A Koowa Show na Ocean wo Kumawood TV so no. O man no krasa wom. To me bomb kwabini si anu mo samu wo famani abere. Me simu nyina mo nka me ho. E wo Koowa Show so, e wo Kumawood TV. Ni nka no kra nkyire nipa. O man panyini yamfo so aka no kra kire no. Sa na minister yamfo so ohia no kra. Na nanom ahemfo apolisiefo asojafo. Ha obi bia wo fa kura me yebone ya me hia no kura boa me na yenka no kura wo man mu e wo Kumawood TV
ofa kwaba
ya ko
esa me bai ofa odwe ho sen
jade ya to kwabena asabi wanya respect bia ma na o kan afon kire no etim beto ya kunadu no nso agide same phone say Ghana politics football eurade nsanim tina da bia me ka chom se mo mu ni asofo na chi de ni abeku
anti prophecy no nyini
wamboa
ensama agent ha e wo Ghana ni social media nyina na yen so akeka bom ene yen so yekabi ama wo so wate make sure so be Koowa dwumadie eye adwada ekosi fiada anoba no nso e wo Kumawood TV na be ye dedede mu host Diane ena me de bremo
Kumawood TV amansane yena yedimu.
So I'll shoot you straight.
Yo abusianfo radio pempen so adure me kwa ko fa me de hye me bibini se broni aho ofedua no no abesi trododo amatoa pia
Anima nada
So the 3 days in the malaria no my dream to make us
me ntwe kuda malaria kura no me ni bedi pa
aso minda na ya brempon katachie menim sanya metienti no me ba no me boa me ho mo aso aduro ni nie Dawood herbal mixture aduro wi me yire dom sima
Ase kono fo wa mama ji wedi Dawood eba me cha dia ma me di hye ya kire se okwa obetima ahwe ne so yie bra be ma me de chew Dawood eba me cha sahwini na do ni ni
Yankra toyi FD agiato.
Adi. Oi. Honey, I never surprise you. Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. And no who dreaded there. You could debrail. Who said that will complain with Sissini Koowa? Epe Ajiwakade. Edusa herbal mixture. Any edusa herbal capsules. And no who jack a sepan and neck. Me could di brew. Wunim. A yama money mema. Edusa herbal mixture. And you edusa herbal capsules. A yoko ni Sicilian drink sepa.
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any edusa herbal capsules. Mr. Snassi. Na men serve.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any edusa herbal capsules. Emma meme jina brani. Na yeme.
Na edusa ya wasese me brabo we.
Sweetie, maybe come on mommy adwamwa.
Hey! What does ye aye chuma?
It's a living testimony. Kone kwa judi.
What can keep ya
Adu Sandre, obie timinumbi. I just a pin for. One woman.
If you sabre ecosystem no watching and pemo everybody. It's all about stories making headlines in the world of shoppers, you know, and everywhere. Or comments, opinions, Bibia or Jane, or with me, Eddie, our supply via the WhatsApp line at that screen, so and I'll be share live on Facebook at Kumawood TV, and then of course on YouTube at Kumawood TV. Bring your opinions or comment, what have you. We're going to read all of them for you. But make out say, Abwa phobia, Daroma, that one of a prayer, Medi April. As that and CJ fashions, commercial make Kumawood brain or Shane Tade. I mean, let's not program is so Jaja. The number is 0268505021. Open now. Or come here, someone say, or Bishop Tade, all African clothing, one of fabric, bra, on Rankasa, Eddie fabric, Evan Pam, Eddie amount, Celebrities fashion designer Bakope, I want Kumasi Kudema, on one man CJ. So go there now on also on show at RJ. Udra Mekuma Asha from the Sweet FM Junction, one of them say Nebel Board no AC directly opposite Jopo Chemist and Abutua Ojini Juma. Udru on why their obesity ama IFA. As I come my early their cosmetics of my city more for my products for my face, the banner lipstick, liners, mascaras and everything. Of the mouth be ama odi STC when in oh my young ABCP, SITA, any amount. And we say about Center for Creas, Jaja, one mono, a boy, a hoka, Emma, Ebert Snap, show you so. Program me a baby payer, one more, it do to my. One more Eddie, and we say about capsules, a bed just what we be or buy a bema, my young, IFFF. Or buy a Sebio, I feel as a sign about Hono. My one sanka a Bisan about capsules, not Memon Mamma, and one on a Bibia Bay, a homeka. Eddie amount. Sanso and a bema, and not Sebi, Ujo, son of Bema, Eshonia Jadina, one of capsules Nibia, very collective Bibia, Amakuma, at so yam. One of our Kumasi Swami Macro, golf filling station, and I want to almost 81 Juma, and see Ubi Pima, say Ebano, candidiasis, gonorrhea, syphilis, cuckoo, when you say pals, and Hawa. Jabret Nedru Kumasi, Abonson so. And yet Swami Macro. Golf filling station at she, Baba to say a dusan, or bebois, or deep with a henny, Lubna, and her mind, every sound no Amakuma at all for yam. Yabaka Dr. Dawood, ho, yea, Doctor, you shall present baby, I will be or say, Dawood ointments, no, when you be a baby, papa. My favorites, they be a mecca. Na, and Rassi me do with Mr. Mapos, and I can't even 9. Now, me see Dawood ointments. It is struggling in a woman dead. That's a short and show. I say, I be or something, which is the winner can ask them. The patch of the one can sound with testimony, Baba, and send them the testimony about Doctor Namin Shaw. What do you need? A superb. When you're Dawood ointment, and you're free to go. Miss Ramada, who baby a yano, ever your form. When you're Miss Chanibia, malaria beef Chani, if you see Papa or Bokono. Your man, Nasata, no air that would have our Mr. of a droop recoupé. Ah, why, a drewy, a jibber beer, or bad year, you look the na, Nehamai, you do sino, and one, Doctor Dawood, I can come home, and I order that would have our Mr. Winnebia, and also the man, a CD, a journey. It's so, I don't know if so, cry, a say, wouldn't demand the crow. Nasata, a say, will be at you. Or bound me one side, a say, and then echo so. No, Dawood have our Mr. A malaria fever, parasites on our brain again. ebebe na se ama okuma so ye police for bulk purchase what the answer obebo rem ewo seshi asa renesto eho and I'll be home down makoji product in ebi na we so yaba ne de na yaba mema me ofa kwaba mama ojam akwaba ebeda ogwa de na se nso agugu ama bibia ekokan you my from Vagabo.
Yeah, go, Diane.
I want to say.
William Bandama. I said, me yale na me yere so yale.
Oh, Capra.
Mr. This one, only cancer made a yale and a video. Ah, some yale and when cancer the yale. Hey, so now you're by my own moon to me. So
I think I want to say, yes, I am.
Any cancer about it, and I'm come. I mean, you know about interest moving go on. Hey, one was it? Me Brahma. Oh, no, who may enjoy.
Oh, jam.
Oh,
jam the major when you.
There are the answer my Yaba. Yaba. Sidian Palma, the Achin and Quandon raising here. I'm sorry, I am a devil. I am a devil. The young guys are done one sorry. Any question be a bizarre.
No, could be something.
What I am asking. On Kuma is so near to him so is supremo. The better nurse. Now, your baby or no, I didn't be any young and what treat your mamma and over Casa for your mamma near my boko.
Friday
is that? And then any just long. He said, Fiada. And he Budai. 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 To be a piano. And then a Budai.
Anyway,
what I said, they will follow.
Yes.
I have some good fear. Now we have a
We're going to speak English. Get ready for your vocabulary.
I hear you.
Oh, why?
Ye.
But for Kakana,
yo.
Now, I put out had a cup of more.
Airport. Now, no airport to the two cup of war.
Embassy way.
Embassy, maybe I'm a poor American couple of Mammy. But how do you? I didn't take it. I'm a car.
It's a one cover.
Never go for coming through Preda.
Oh,
never go for coming through Preda.
Papa, that's why.
Oh, turn out the corner back. Oh,
Shani.
Huh? Why your papa will yes?
I don't know.
Papa will yes.
I didn't tell you.
Go for your papa will yes.
So you don't want. Where do you want?
Where you come was?
Oh, I can't. I am on the pay. Oh, I'll come to the only way.
Oh, yes, I made you anything.
Papa, they may pronounce them all.
Simple.
Because I've been pronounced Manamboa. But when your papa, I will yes.
Why, yes.
Nancy.
What?
Says I got me from my front for a cost.
And the audience want until I can say,
hey,
Medicare.
let me tell. When you get what? Udo,
Papa, no, and you have idea or no, or a paste setter.
Then I blew Chen Grana, while I am so much showing him. Oh, Papa Kubo, oh, I want showing him.
That was a mission.
And I may born a maniac. Tell me the more fat no munina. To me, bar maniac.
And I'm many of us say, or say, we jump catching something of my team.
Hey, Diane,
and what would you make a summer?
I guess I'm speaking as someone.
And no catching so a mammy. Send out
memoir, one offer. And now cry, so we'll see catching some Beijing piece. And see for Najika crack. What's the Beijing crack? I don't want to
for trace come over and 20 pieces.
Ah, what I was me first time ever put to. I'm Beijing.
And you're doing you. Yeah, I'm for the move.
Oh, yeah, Papa. You're going for ah, Bagu.
Anybody is sending free. When we say, huh? If you go for the mommy.
Go for Munkas Caramari. Go for Mom to say.
You're great.
I'm
kwakune dia
oni o jam no fa ase fo ne dos muntimi ni ba akopɛ ho nkɔmɔ wa ha opam bo mu nyina ho mo
opam bo mu
prophet na my man you say come me kwakohwe
na kwa me kwakohwe no
na my man say
mo ko hwe no yale
because I said I want to meet him.
Oh, okay.
Me say Michiano.
Aya ki nya so ma say ta 20 ka ba boa wo.
Onim say Michiano.
Michiano.
Every day I say me ko chance me ko em ko cha wa me nya kwa Michiano.
Ano de ono amfra wo hia ne hye wo hu no ko be wura dem.
Na so to.
Ono hu otimi wura dem.
Papa mbo de ba ko yenko.
But I like him.
Ai ko bu fu 2030.
I say for my
Ese mo di.
Me say ma fa.
Ese mo di.
E mu nya de. Envelope no me ye no me 30 man. O cha mi kakan ye se besa.
When is that udi tutu ama no?
Oh, you na kan. Na ma kan what you be pon. I was a for me the first story everyone. Munja ojam na so ma wa kan ti kan ya kan for no. Ya kan ya me for no. Nim say with him no was stressa. But that wrong my class and same be about be tuja and waki can be at the actual kujo upon koma also kujo upon koma. Very very ungrateful.
Very ungrateful. And anybody who is listening, me, I don't mince words. And I'll tell Kujo Oponkura when I meet him in his face. I'll tell him that
what did he do?
When Kujo Oponkura was campaigning to be MP, me, I left Accra, got in a car, went all the way to Ofansia Yiribi, his constituency, to go and campaign, help him campaign. I didn't take it, not because he was going to pay me. It was because I wanted him to be MP. I wanted to help him to be MP. When I got to Ofansia Yiribi that day, it was raining. Kojo is aware. I got on the stage. It rained for hours through the mud on the stage just to make sure that people don't leave. And then he became MP. And when he was called on radio on Kwame Frife's Mensah's show and asked about corruption, and Kwame Frifa Mensah put it to Kwejo that Kwejo, but so why wouldn't A+ is criticizing the government? Kwejo said that don't take him serious. He's just disgruntled. So nobody should take A+ serious.
Did you speak to him about it?
No. Me, I don't like arguing with people when everybody is arguing.
But if he's your good friend, you could have drawn his attention to.
No. Now today you are MP. So like today you are minister, you are MP, you are minister. I don't even want to. I just want to put it to Kwejo. Look, I don't fall out to people. I don't. No, I'll just put it to you, and you can't do anything. Look, the fact that you are sitting at V8 and the police is in your front seat. Don't feel like you can. You can't do it. I'll put it to you, and I'm putting it to Kwejo that that was a very unfortunate comment. He is very ungrateful. However, when he made that utterance on Happy FM, I didn't want to respond immediately. People don't get it. I had an issue with NDC former organizer Kofi Adam. He said something as Empire FM. It took 3 months because I have to wait for the environment to be calm so that when I speak, everybody will hear. They say, "Oh, he has not done anything. A+ is attacking." I will not attack you when you attack me immediately because there will be so many people talking.
So you take your time.
So I have to take my time. I want the whole. I want it for myself so that when I start talking. And you see, I keep telling people, read The Art of War. I will attack you when you are unaware.
Okay.
I will not attack you when you are ready for a fight.
But you are very good friends.
Very.
He used to come to your house?
Yes.
Is that where the two of you watched the porn together?
I have never said that Kojo Oponkura came to my house to watch porn.
Okay, cool.
Yes.
I just wanted to clear that because that was the rumor.
Don't worry.
I mean, it's good you've cleared it now.
Yeah. I've never said that.
Okay.
I said I never mentioned his name.
All right.
That's Kwame A+ for us, actually, talking much about Kojo Oponkura. I don't know why he's saying this. But, Ofa, can you say something about what?
Yeah, media, I know.
You know?
Yes. Near Mammy who is here and I said, Utini Okana during campaign. But me say that idea. A bread nipping in our person or more piasia, that bread, a gina hatchet, Tamuko, or Bacasango or Casan. Ubijina as A+ will be enemies or Tojum. And many pahe or non so course Ujinai. Mother can't win some money to the person.
so I yes I do be several times na enkobo baba na nya position wie ya na wako radio so ne kana asem na TV so ne kana asem na akase mamo mfa ni serious a wanya bibia ma wase aye nya amone koro no enti kakra meka me pa brand je asem ekwan bi so sometimes we na de a se de obesi afa be react sa mere na no odi agoro ma hu se mfa ne ho later asum bia ba na afi wa mo hu se hia no sa na Yesu ka kire ye odi asem na so se eni kwan so mo wi ato obupuo so obi anu asa ka kire se obi ogina bupuo so kasa bia o kwase a nipa bia de ba na se wo hu so okukutua so aye mamu aye o twan mabupuo no koda wi e ba sa o react bia ba ye bia no nyansade odi asem na se ebi na A+ ni suma ne te no o kana tatam na wo mfiu akoda din no ato na bodi nkire mu aba na mu nyina mo hu reason ti asa de na e course ma pe na asem wo sa akwan ne so na ma se ye nuano ma ya no mo pri dibre se da bi ya me kan o me se uduru soro ho a omo wase no omo hia chen won na e wo soro akoto wo mo no because obi ya MP akoto ne se MP a ubeye MP ni binti no opo adamfo tama wo fom no onimu se adamfo edu omo da fom no omo na se kina wo tena wo ba ombeso wo ayese wa furudua unya furudua bo fro na ebosoro no hu hia biem so omo gina fom no igwa mo hu hia omo na abeti ebeto fom bi ombedi udua na afuru mpaso obi ani so njoso ofrase na omunya ayonkofa egode ogina ye meto ba so mesrawa asore fato me ba na omo hunu se uni adem boni bi atiom na aye mo ma furudua no me ba me na me fa kasi o me fa na di kan de money show mutima o me to kra na wayi kasi na ewu mu no di time bia no yan ye wo fom no e na wo so na adu so de respect kasi ya de ema di so obi aso mu no opia no afurudua so be te brofia me na di bi enti afa dia wo ka kire won na edidi nyina se wonye serious di se wona wo mu a
brofra makodwe ni o I said the way no kasa ni nti na se kodwo kon ma wo sha o kan say oh ma motiki A+ serious. Probably it doesn't mean anything.
Mame, busasa sembe ne siya o kan bi nti asemi em fa ne serious. Corruption hun common wudi. Ani ya busa question say aban na hote so no kura nso so no o ma ban mu ne ye corrupt na asemi em fa ne serious. Du be so ka kem say na ado dan gba kupu ado ba so corruption bi ango so ana. Nti se bi akoso no obi kan ase em fa ne serious a. Se se de waboda mma wana. Ana se se de ono na nanko ka bi o motimi kan bi ma ba power no afedi ento ne nsam ntumu ana wa hu ni ade ne tie ise wakodu na ntimi maniska na se bi onso wakasa bi o kan manipa gini de kakra bre na asem yen sam fe no serious a o bu na bre ni su ana zo person nkyerese nje ya asem esiye onse se ye comically bi ne wo ye nto asumu na wo kan ni se dia obi ahu se normal weather yi su mu nipa bia already akwa pempen su obi se ade ne so koso o di asem na se ye tikrom ha ya an excavator 500 ebe si na yente ho asem na nya maama bere so na ado bere ya so mpacho onya ne ade ne tie etino se we nyina akoso ye tikromo ya na nipa ye salate no se minister of hwani yesi ni woni fie susesi a wasi fie sesio se servia ni fie ni anu na yere e de betu ja so ne chance na aban ni hunu se corruption bi akoso eje edan ya aban bi ba no so na etu akra se de abenya nkofo mani da ho mbe ya faase so obi tie chie no o ka se o se mampani se wo mpenso na brasu bi asia onka aboni tu ga se me emfa ni serious a ene na ase ono na ne ho ye wo hia se o taba no so e wo system ni mu wo ni ane tie de be sere mpanyufo se so mu dura ni mu a omo mu wura mfi omachi omo ni mra omo ho so na dodo bi etimi bua ye bia no kakra e betima so won so no o man so won so na omo so nko on because awrade asem se aboa na ntwe nim ni wura didi daka na mbra hin na me dia me man omo wura fimi nti we di adanse se na ntwe kura nim se nipa obo me no anane o heme so no aha na ode maduan gu na kom de na wokọ ho de a ene wo so ne a wobo a wo no won so yefa no wodidi eno na ya na nipa ni da bia me ka se problem am wo MPP party ho no omo problem na ndisi fo wo mo de MPP de ne se o mbetno o man ni mo mpeso me justice to obi a ujimi so mpridi nipa nyanti ni a wa bere no mani ni di wo ti asem na se me ma wo ba na me ntimi ntua me ba school fees na mse me pese me tua bontinya ne pam me ma me nyanya nsafo wo ti asem na se o se me so bu fie wie afa me wie na se ebi buru so na bonte so nia mama ne bi adi ndisi so e best was akwan ne so unya koye campaign ya bo nko ade a una ofri bonte wufu e ba wo fie be ba be sikumase amwo so nya ba bi ada ndi be sere ne wa bre no ene wodie so ti asem na se awurade asem se me mfa maduane mankra mama means se wonyi Kristo ntumo mfa na duane ma sa na Satan so ye na djuma nti wa be politics ade na so ntimi nte sa ade na se obi be bre ye be bunu ye be bra no na ye be wie ni amakomo de no ade ye ya amomaamu ni na wo be wie so maamu no kra so ye nhunu hwe di mfa so be na wo so so ndi omo ni mra omo so na obi bra man ni di ni enko
na me da se aya mpenim fo se adidija wo yi ene amuna ne nam aya mi di wachi wo ye penin dem di wachi o so mama ya konkran kwa ha ko yesi udibla udim se mini bi wo yusume amem se wo yusume na da ya wo benya dibla afie no me what matter na de wa mele ene wo di aya eye ebi before you pay for no sa no mutie sa no mutie MPP anga so mu ye sisifo before no pay for ni bi e ye sisifo papa wo bremo wo mu wo bre kwa sa ayi kama mu tibi mama eni matem da ko ye campaign dia chire kasa brai ye no sa de obi go bia council no fa kaka ntu yari tumu wie na me kwakwa ya fa hono ya sa ko yiska
tani nya chama na ye on go for no
o ba sa ko yiska no wa we bi no it is any para bra any para woni
chama domo no wa dwen papa mo ho
bebe ye guba ge ne ye de signature ye de picture bi bia afa de te answer oh sikana da account nu no ya say ye mesan na ye fa page mama ye fa pe contact ma ye ne bidi ye din ka wo ne ko san no mko ye di
e won ko fa na de pe
no mko ye mo ko yisika
wa won
ko yisika ne de sa gwa kan so no
ye chairman pe yi ye sebio
ye ko bu se mo se e bi se chairman no na yi na de e bi se nyempe ni mfo no a
o na de ko de mama ye
o ta se ma meken e ya ni me bia ye bi before no suba de adwem bone e wi trim wo bra wo na mount wo bra so be ni da ti yen ke bone be no ai wo di wo chi abwa ene wo sa be yini boni ai da be ni ka sa ye boko de be am ka sa ko be ni ka sa ye boko sa mia ke be ton wa mama sa
na say but first in na I think that now he's grown or he's
grown grown in India wa to ne bo da no je
na say
na de ti say wa ye say aha bo sma ko trela ni bi unje da hunu ni yi
aha sa mia ke be ton me de wuro ke be ton ko me ton wa me mu sa ma ton no ma ton na mama sa mu sa wo da ma ton sa ko no me de o sisi mia me de ma no ton
a very fine gentleman
me de ma no ton
very respectable person oh media mu na ye
e ti so ko ko ti so nwa ne ntwa pi to kwa ka wansa mo ni ko tam ko ti ni me nya ntwa pi to ka wansa mo
I don't think that Kojom
we you bonia too much anybody bonia who say be be as say
no or see me a funny serious time
serious na so what
are not in quote and yet to say the phenomenon
Diane say
Kojom pon kroma enye ni pa bia
Diane nadam fo no A+ nadam fo ni Kojom pon kroma ndi say di osikan sebe no wo mi ni bibia eye normal ade ankan ha A+ ma ne nkan ho asem ne because madam fo no na me pray say duru ba bia wadu ndi say waduru ha wi me say be say o ma bodam o say ni bakro na nim nyansa ndia ne bi so betima wo ho sa asesa de osikan no mpe ni ye ono so meyi ano say nte sa ne nka bi
na go bi so oh don't take him serious I know what
to say na obi ka sa me kire wa wadu no obusuafo nyate we the man for serious wa kill you are you killing him? You are family, you are wife, you are children, you are everything.
So you mean say Kojo was killing it?
I'm not for now. Let's say Yakob na ni dia be no for say we dem the mama for the serious wa.
O tabani.
What me image no? What come me image?
Your mama mum for na sem nya sem yenu. Se bi e wuda ho na o jama start didi obi atem. Who said the course be ba metima ka de se mama for the serious. And no ho. And ye we ko jama ya gentle or tini baby. So what you asem na se na bia yeso ojam fa number bra ne ensan di iska na fe zero no ntimi mu bo ne number ye mi se mamu mfa ne serious da bia number ne wura na afie timi mfa ne serious nya iska ne sande ana enya ne dai ndi ye situation bi wo ho ba ye nka sa akasa no so what you say ne rather wo de be kan ye mfa ne serious no nka you phone wo number wo na bobo mo ne ensan ne ma no ye hu so open ye ne mfa ne serious ye ne de ye o ja asem na se
it what you like to say for 4 years no be dio say 3 years no be dio abeso ebesa to be biem.
All right then, Pierre, but I don't think that could
mo money biem.
I know Kojo how he is.
Okay. Classmate.
More money biem.
Oh, but I'm not trying to defend him, but I know him as a gentleman as he is. And you're born a person.
You are not serious because as you are not serious.
Let me read a couple of messages coming from my second story, bro, quickly. I'm on Facebook. Of course, you're streaming live on Kumawood TV, YouTube Kumawood TV. On Facebook, this one says, I'm watching you from Thailand. Good morning, Yunusa Abdullah. Yunusa, thank you for watching us this morning. Our boss says, welcome to you too. Ewa Black says, good morning to you all. Nancy Neil says, good morning, everyone watching you from England. Thank you so much. If we do say good morning, my darling Diane. If we do say good morning, my sweet Bishop and Ujam. Ratty Madrid says, good morning, Diane. I like you so much. I like you right back, my dear. I have this one from Patricia Ajuman said, I love Bishop Lumba too much. He loves you right back. Daniel Isels is watching you live from Sunyane. Ratty Madrid star Ujam with so many emojis or they are badges emoji no. Serena grown crown. Our boss says a Kwaku Buffo 30 Ghana say no. No. It's a big no. My father will no not a guy. For the mamma you and I'm a dinner man. Medema with a Mujam in Kakaka.
Dan, we have from TV and I'm man.
I'm a Mama TV so. And I'm meeting Kakaka and the man and no buy or say and I should make you petty. And I'm seeing you, Matthew.
And I'm saying 40.
Now, I don't know, Castle.
It's a 30-40. And you're too sure. Nancy Newland says, Super Ojam. Patricia Hatchman says, since he left RTV, the show is not interested again. This, I think, to offer. The show is not interested again. Well, that's your opinion, Patricia. That's Patricia. I'm skipping this one. With the mankind. Emilia Frimpoma said, Koowa. Jacob said, greetings to you, Lady Diane of Lumba and then Ojama and all Kumawood Koowa viewers and listeners. I have this one from Emilia Frimpoma said, watching you live from Hamburg. Emilia, thank you. This one from Emilia said, oh, come on. Well, Tom Paul, I hope you are not going to say the same thing tomorrow when he's gone from his TV station. Oh, I didn't know. The Oka Sophia TV no programming at the Bill, who free her and Paco and Caddy Simple. I will be an opinion. Be to make her. You must be sure. I'm around here. It's normal. My main friend Poma said, good morning to you all. I'm here because of Ujam watching you live from UK. I love you, Ujam. Ujam Edo right back. Patricia Emilia from Poma. Why? Go listen to the show yourself and you will know. Offer, continue your good work. Patricia Ojamsopo, I'm here because of the knowledge token, so I'll follow him everywhere he goes. Mommy first said, well said, I love you, Offer. More and more messages are making kind of idea, but my next story I'm a day back. And yet, I'm going to be a petition master, and all the other to just say, Oko by 2.90% in woman.
Wale etusha so usua yesu for dia osumen wale
okay
on se de tem ti bible no bia bra boni atwera to de ye part e good ni fa de ye nsehunu obo atwagu
na bible no ba bi o ho ye nsehunu
almost 90% ye nsehunu
oh
be 10% bi na se bi eto aso because me catch se men kobo kro no a even se bible na nkasa kra enyansasem meboa good men fo obeyire enyansasem meboa enwiade enyansasem meboa nyema bia e kaseti abone bia enyansasem sa nyema no hye na munim dada nti bible be ye den baba me yehwe amalipa de bible timbe ya ne se obedada amanfo gada omoji omusika ti se wuti asisi hwe bia wanyina du edu sunday a ana saturday ana da office ode somosom no wa fa ho se wa kwakye so obi ntufo na wa wontimi ntu hofo ti etufo a na otwia sofo ne ka no amanisika kakra
eno ne offering na yeto no
that's what
na say ye gidie mu de ye feel say wo bo afode amanyame
afode eye afode na bo nyame wo bo afode nyame say hia sika firi wo de say nyame no ngonzo asan nyame nto wachi what you say nti sika bia free sabi wo nsem kɔ asɔre ho bia no ɛyɛ sɔfo ne bedie mo nka ne korɛ
enye nyame bia
Bible go timi ka say nipa arobo nyame na wo betimi arobo se na na adokora betimi arobo no
quotation what's 99% and 90% of Bible
almost 90%
I want to challenge you mami 3 strong quotations obi a what tie mi bia no say wo quotation bia wo timo ba Facebook a wo de Kingdom 107.7 FM my 3 quotations a prove is a Bible na ye kuta say Christopher no ensem hunu
one verse ensem hunu say 1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 10 till
1 Timothy chapter 6 verse 10
me go to 2 verses bi
okay
compare me no de hin nyansa wo na de ntia me say baby ensem hunu baby sem no baby nyansa sem no de twusu baby ensem hunu
1 Timothy chapter 1
chapter 6
verse 10
what's it
1 Timothy chapter 6 verse number 10
kwai
what's na boni nyina hini ni sika pe
bone e o wiase nyina the root of evil any dey
money
into who started so pesike sabi da wo tie o yadwuma o yebo
Mr. na wakan agu microphone no mama me na wo mu kwa Bible wo fie no wo fie afa Bible na yen compare na nkwa yesa de quotation na wono kenkan de
de me quote bi afri book no to dwen ho ni mienu twusu ba ko san kan ma wo se de
what's na boni nyina hini ni sika pe
bone o wiase ni nyina ni hini any sika pe every root of anti fan say yeah, me who's make boss, kingdom boss. Ni beginning adwuma odi nka start here no. Start show pesika no. O adwuma bi odi start here. Answer obi this stage me boa. At the moment oba dwe so pesika no. Eye bone. Why na nyisika? And I saw them amoji sika no so e.
Asofo ni nyina di bone.
Wo hu se de tie me. Etie bone obi ai wo be try to say no. Eye waste enti na Africa eye no. Africa unyi sika wo ye evil, so ye hia ni. The blessed are the poor. Blessed are the poor so Bible so wo ye nshira. Oh ye ni wo ye nshira da. So for be catch say insida no mo hiafo na mo no soro ahini ni abodia ti wugidi a waje hia na tum so wankasa
me boss
another verse
Jonathan Kwame mo fa say wo skapa
to ai bone
enti won ko heaven
David skani bi anko heaven according to Bible me kire wudi ntia
and esa quotation so won ko heaven no
me na me heaven me se me dwen heaven ho me tienye heaven ho adwen na me dwen me dwen se me bo bread eja me bana me ko da so
o kwan ubewu
obi abewu
se uwu atemu owu achi
temu na wo mu no opa di boni bi obegina sasu osu bi obegina ne ya
quotation master also no so you heaven ho obi on mo no ni so ko heaven nti enya fe na oni obi ba be pre ho or bob brother jan man wo work on the baby what must say so that's what he's thinking it's all about heaven so mo am fi say heaven no bobra ya tade pe bia shibi bobo pe bia shibi bia ni pe bia wa say no, don't get me wrong. Don't get it twisted. I beg you. Well,
amen. Everybody has some there. Na Christo asem na asem ya nye nisu nyansafo. Na ya ne nkofo bi ti se ne kasa sebeta frache. Enam se Jimmy kakrabata hunti na baba be siso. Anso say o kan Bible ne ba bia Everybody se membo kro no yinim dada. So what asem na say memmo jaman inim dada inti ade is a Bible ni wokora nki behu 1+1 one enim se be yetu inti school book na da hoda dada na wo ye do got na school no pass be na wo so what you say ye say ye kai nipa mo nipa ni ba ne ho so biem anu nti na wo ho why na enim se last 4 years ni nti nipa titiri bi ato aba kese editi a ye mampani dada John Mahama dum so enso anado bae omunim enso recently dum so ni bin start dia ya we fie ndi na ya mi e kai ni pa biem this is a wabetu book bi na da ho ese kai wo na ase make sense a wangasa no wadwene na make sense dada wadwene na make sense dada before the book what you asem na say on say yesua tra ma aja ye jimekeka ye woni ma bebre ho ye ko school a yesua eye sa na tie dada book ni wo kura ngasa na wo say ye ba de ndi ne ye ko school ko sua ye ko refresh mind ye kai ye hu biem what you asem na say ye nananom te wono ne ye wade ye abusua ati wade ndi nkeda ho dada enso sebe se wunyini ye sa aba wo su biem sebe ya hu piti ade ni biem ade ne wo wi ase a ye nkai woni pa biem what you asem na say de ne wo wi ase a ye nkai ni pa biem ye ko school a ye nim se odi 3 months wo school ma ye ko holiday bi but e beduru a wonim nyom de kai wo so say mo ba be ye mo ho ahwani mo be ye wei eno na e kai say time mo be so say akoma no ba na nko nipa bi anim dada say 3 months bi a wo say makwan ndi je wade wu am ye mfa suatra say beta fracha nke kan gwase yasem ade bi awrade ye bia ehia yesi adenti no wo bo owu so biem me ba be didi na mawu na mekọ wan anim so ba wiase a onwo ndi ade na o say abo so biem. Okay. Wadi wahu jimina na wo mukasa na na mekani. Ba wutimi say sisu biem dia kai say ube nya osika onyene heaven ho wu ana wokọ but yesa buku kro na ogu na nim dia no e na atwere wu ho asem ato a oda so kai. Yesa no de wa be hunu bi pan ndi no eno de ehia ne pa da biara do be kan ho asem dan. E dia be sere e ofa asefo ne say yesere omo so ma ba wiase ni mu bi na sabe esom no mo so mu ni achi obi amfo so omo omu nyai se omu peso omu improve se eye nkwase asem na mfa hemre omu onya hemfim sabe mu omu gina wa book ni na mu nyina ye nimmo omu nyina ye nimmo omu so ho wo frafra abrochirefo ye wonuro ye de ye ne ma nuro se no ma sandis kana ma gwaji nuro na free odu ye fo foforo ho de am omu nyina ye nim dan na ate a ate oh please eyenko edi ohun ni ade na de enti no wo fa na de mental na tete enti di ade ni ade da wo fa sra e baza go body boli post ya se msisi so wo ni ade te enti da na ampela mi ka che me wo fa se fo ni se saka na omo kan omunyai ka na nyom na ebo omo ho wuti asem na se nyom na ebo omo so omo de omo gimi gura no omo nwene ekwan ye fa so a be ma ho nsuo eko fra oba na atima ye bibi e fre ni nipa eni nti ase etisi a chose nipa bi na form sa ade no de a ene wa kan nsem ya ye ni so se ne wa wo kan okotwe ni ma ne anya ne tokune ba to be kan na ne ye no kura wa ka se we make sense wa wo so ade atum se ye ye bible ne se mokro no se yanga njogran ga nim je make sense so there any ade bia ni we make sense e make sense wunye skadi bi to de nti na ade to because ade achi da biara da bia ba ya adwuma nya foforo but utimi de bi to se beta fracture so kwa adwuma so no anya bi anya na yale ye ba ubetim dia ye bibi ntia so de asem na se edi no eno so make sense ana edi aba sere omo kasa omo nya ase abo omumu ase e pese e prove nyame asem won o de ase na se eno omu prove de ko wohu tunipafo ade we de nto asum ye ni se ebeboa ade we de o ye ni se ebeboa we na do so se amenye me maka me se me wura so dem na se sofo na me ya adom na o ka aboro 5 sofo bi ebo asori a o ka aboro 5 asori ba bi wo aso dem asabe se asori ba me hunu se o wa ho kirem o hiadie ma benedie mu no me collection ma ho bi bebu eskra no de acho se asori ba no e bia wo pefreja aton nsuo no e ma ho bi no ne niam a wo se nipa tra ase tete ase because awrade se wanya ama onua no wanya ama me eduonua bi o wa ama ne yemu no ene ye bibi de ma no di se sabe wo kwa asole osofu kra members 3070 so ti asem na se omu nyina ka so omu to collection de bia ama na be ma ne 10 billion o ti asem na se eno nko abetimi aso no dia de na wo se chenchena me de me de nza kopi so abro bi ho kire no eno na wo se ye chichichi ne ye ni ba ye ho so ne ye aha na nya se ebi to asemu bi ndam ba he ma Fiani the oil then go complete that.
All right.
Hey.
Jam.
Resign.
You're haunting.
Obi won say asem bi fi nenum ba. Udim say nipa no abodam street. Obi ncho so abodam. Say obi won say wo kan asem wa. Say mi fi nenum ba ya. No hu ba bia. E ga na dwene ye de. E wo. Na nyina wo yire. E woma ya sabi so dufia o mafra o dada na u TV so o be ja interview ka sa hankwasa asem bi ya ene say ha musano ye musano say ensuo fie fa na ba he atade e fie fa na ba he eduane e fie fa na ba he light e fie fa na ba he na me the boss ani me ni nyina ana wo ko sample na wo TV so interview wasa bo sabi eti se wo ka samu a ka wo nyankopon wo Yesu wo wasu wo chie no atamuo
o so no de o che onimse nyankopon wo no nji
ense wani babu ni sai no ko school ko ye dai
o papa
Bible ne de you be na ejidi
o papa o ne so papa be wu na asem o kan se me be bia anya kromfo da se no de menyini na mjiji se papa bi na wo me nyansa be ntu papa ba wan kan nyansa se bi anto
antreo ana wo obi won wo dru segi bia no obi na no ka se me wo mienu no se nyansa kakra kura wo wa mo ye na ye didi motam wa mo se boi won ko fie na ne nche ni nyansa wo yere won ko fie sa se mo kan no won be pona no asem bi won ma da ye musuo wo de ma wan kasa ho obi ona ka se bi won mo ye musuo ma wan kasa wo ni padua obi pa ka se bi wo na mo ni pa mu obi pa ka se mi wo ndano akwawe wo ne papa yano akwa ni nyansa fi won mo sama wo be kanti ti nyansa asama be kan ye enim emu die ni ebi fa efa mo ne bra se mo kan ye emu die ni emfa efa mo ye bra de won na do su wo ye ni pa se utufo de mu die ni enye ti so be ka se wo be ka se mo yi na si entiba enyimu ba kokora wo ye dimifo wo ni ti
na me tasi
ti won so nyansa na ka se bi woda efiri nipa nu mu ba won ka wo se nipa wo duro no wanyini wọ́n mẹ́fì náà mi tẹ́ ni nyansa yẹn tẹ́ sọ wọ́n mẹ́fì mọ́ fẹ́ kán nyansa sẹ́mi tẹ́ no. na mi pẹ́pẹ́ ní ẹ̀ wọ́n di mi yẹ.
RNG Formula T ẹ̀wọ̀ dwama nso adaroma nso wọ́n yẹ bi náà sọ̀rọ̀ náà ẹ̀bẹ̀ bọ̀ ẹ̀bí amẹ́ka sẹ̀ wọ́n yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ máa ná ẹ̀sẹ̀ fàtàsí ọ̀sẹ̀ ọ̀bọ̀ prostate ho ban because the prostate no ẹ̀ start sẹ̀ ẹ̀ ti ti wọ́n hẹ̀ de rubber ẹ̀bẹ̀ tó bẹ́ẹ̀ mẹ́m ẹ̀no ẹ̀na kyẹ sẹ̀ ẹ̀bẹ̀ má sẹ̀ bi wọ́n mẹ́ẹ̀ma yóò mu no ẹ̀nsi pinsita wọ́n na wọ́n ti mu sẹ̀ wọ́n bẹ́ẹ̀ ma so wọ́n yẹ bẹ́ẹ̀ ma wọ́n kọ́ ọba nkyɛn wọ́n yẹ nneɛma bebree ɛsɛ fata sɛ ɛwɔ sɛ ɔyɛ ɛno nti mɛka fo RNG Formula T ɛde ama wo sɛ kɔ na kɔpɛ bi na nonom very simple sei ne ɛyɛ no ɛno ansɛ wode very nice kyɛnsee anaasɛ bowl wode asi wɔ gas no so anaasɛ wɔti kettle so ho ɛno no wɔti pure water baako ano a na wɔhwɛ gum wɔde asi gya so na wɔama na ɛhyehyɛ na sɛ na hura afa so na wode RNG Formula T no anti set tea bag no wayi mi no na wode atum na wanom efufa so start sell benom e ma prostate no I stabilize Mr. ma urine flow no I so ahomkan wo ye oba na wo so no bia e be boabo ho bai wo menstrual flow ni be kama eni be kofefefe man fi bia be bu nsa so pressure wo diabetes and I said then make sure say wo be no bi na ba wo no ma wo no mi nyina no na o check it for pressure no say na be beautiful and when you say obi our pressure won't minimum David put me no or diabetes that won't minimum that be won't minimum but then you need to be checking yourself no who send ya civilization no is it's here me confirm my next story about but I want to read about 3 messages before maybe I make us say message more about my kind because data and I'm also and I'm more so I have to read it. I'll go on YouTube my kind YouTube also can cry at the amount. This one Tom Post says I don't know why this guy is trying to prove because of people you give your platform to anywhere. Emilia says I don't know why this guy is trying to prove. I think I'll go on. Emilia Frimpoma says who of all offer I love Bishop Lumba's knowledge keke. Sechua Frimpoma says good morning my dearest Ujam. I am here because of Ujam. Watching you from UK, I love you. He loves you right back. Oh yes, what's spoken of a Lumba. Kofi Mreku says, offer please. I know you by your wise saying. Please reduce the insult. Offer, we are good. Patricia Ajiman says, I'm here because of Bishop Lumba's knowledge. Mami Kate says, thank you, offer. Patricia says, offer, we are good. Patricia says, too much. This one also from Michelle Adafo says, good morning to you too. Jacob says, Ojam just touched the bomb blast. I'm always happy when Ojam speaks, of course. I am happy as well. I don't know, baby, I was a bomb or the man or the bemam. Some posters don't mind them offer. They are awkward. They are awkward people. They always want to prove the devil's right. And I want to go on, but Patricia says, tell them, I tell you, good morning. Lady and the crew. Good morning to you, Michelle. Lady Diane, please tell Ojam my kids and husbands love him so much. I like to see him this summer holidays when I am probably when they come to Ghana watching you live.
They should not come. Omo jamu mra.
Ewo. Mama family next story Emro. Wada Roma. Na se beto ja sa branche bi akofa. Yes saka wani bi e kawa. E shene nsa. Na kawa no se e ka ho. Na yekofa chinso. E di chai. E no chi no kawa no kra efa. E saka nsa. I don't know malen bi a obae. E be chi mo se. E kawa no akofa no. E saka kawa. Na ene abranche na kasaba abonti. E di simple abesi.
Sena nkasa na wa ha no kawa no nya no he ye nko ho ne ye nhwe
etsen
o se he ne say man so anya man no ana
sa
o ye young
Manuel Otabe Manuel Otabe who am fie say 17
Otabe kasa ka
ba se wadanfo ne abrante na na wadanfo no wonim ne sesai wo yesa kawa ne bi
to me ni dey you know
kasa den kakra wa
no muhwe ehye
Otabe ba mic no ana se usro rings ro mic so come
muhwe ni ni yesu afie ni nti ase no mu na weria ana ya ko muhwe ko bo game nti game na ya bona ana yuhu kawanu o ma connect game na ma ufa bi wo fomu ana yuhu kawanu o so na me fa share na ni nwane se ne blood ne meto o blood e se na madam fun to the same me to me yama nti enyimire no we fi na me ko dai nti ade chi na me sa
na enkawa ya ade a wo de je ho pa wo pe on na den na twetwe wo ohuru ne say ye wa na wo pe na honhom bi na na afro bibi o se kofa e na wo fa se na ye
na ni boss wa na me fa
e chewo kawa na afe ohun
Debi atwe kawa no hu yo dan monfa kawa no da no na ache ne nsa enye kawa efe anyway bi ono na betumi akire mu se kawa waje pe de o kire mu sesi ai ofa ye no o hye de kokoda ayo
na de akire ye no e no realize say e twa ne nsa no
me because the di kan ba na madwen ye ne se ofa de hye no na hye ase na emia ne nsa o de kokoda ti kawa na ye de ye ne se ofa de share no ana hye na emia ne so de kwakoda ti kawa na ye de be ya na dwena wie o
ndi tambe na hu se efrase ye twa wonsa ukoda ye no atambe yi
o me di da ya no pa no so le no ana mu se me sanu asu se no ahun ti imagine se meyi ba na me force ye nyi ti madam fu bi na ebe fa aso blade no no di twa half so mo di twa half no mo di prayer me nu so to mo yeso mo bien ene be si me sanu so nti ewiane mu nse ewo mo kakra ne ewia me sanu ewia me sanu
nti sana na wote na yo ya pa ohun eti na yo ya
achai
eti uhun se kawa na wo hye ye dinti na eye wo sa no afere wadwene ye wo sa ohun
achai
eti me pese mi hunu wadanfo no o suspect no so yes akawa ni ansa ni
o manfo ahwe Angel TV ne Facebook no obetumi ahwe ensa no se de net abranche na e wo studio ha no sa story echinyema na o manfo bisa ho nsem a mokaya awia no kwadwo Dexon ne team no eye ho news o mo ne akonfo nyina di nkomo ma bi ka se emfa eye preko Johnson ebi se yemfa de Johnson fa nguso because abeno na emwa ehia pa
ni abikofi
sawia onne na ya sa news bia
me eyi kwadwo ne koye enti no obi kura kasa me ne kwadwo kura nso ne ye
abranche no finally wabeka sa ojam
sister dai de nyamiase abranche no motono amri eme ya
ade
se no motono
ade ya
eme ya pa
ende ya
ni kwa senka no motono
ya
kan over 17 years o hwe na nimu a wuti to ni wi no oni bibia biye abranche akotoa 17 years hwe so sikasa o to wa shibi ya shintampi na ko bi fia kwa game na de da hwa on fama e se wo fa
nada
furo de ma ai wo pe masem ni wo fa bibi ma me ni ma tam se dan na e pe masem ti ma fa ai fa ni ye fa sa de ma ye she sa de ma wo fa pe masem enti ofa ene ma one ne watch down ne ma fa ne ma bo so for papa 70 ni ma me ne papa ntunufo no akotwibda no wo bo no so wa hwe na blabo ye na blabo ntimi nsi ni ye ya ka se ka wa no se be ye bu ni wura na be wura ka wa no che ye pe nipa moja na so mutimu wura pe nipa moja na ene bu so sana ya wura ka wa no awoso o mu hwem aya be ya se dan akrai se be so ne mutima to no na se enku owu na o mu ni brad na to mu ni brad no o mu yesu enku ne de ma se ma me kanu mo me de onya me pe wo se mo da wa kronfu o ni brad me pe wo se mo da fa contain so de fa bopra contain so wonya di wonya traba bi woni mrade na omoma boy no to no na me be busa wo mo oh yes na me be busa wo mo I say na 1% no beto na 1% no beto no next time say wo na ko ba obi ade wa wo mfa abakoto a it 70 years when 18 years kwa wonya it no ni blade ha eya bi asa ko to no na say go yes no na ya disuade e ko yes disuade e ko mo paduma na mo de daka ka sem masa se gana for my program and program masa se wo mo nya sika ko pasika bone no a na mo de saman for ma woni kwade nda na nkoi afin ye man kwasi afie sika fo na mranti aba mudie sika fo ka wuti min to mo to mo dam mo be condition ni ka so to aso ne posa bia din to duro na se no fe ko didi mranti makuma ku ses umni ka kete ka so ku so pe mo na maba mo mo mi ko be de pia ade mi la nese ku firi yase ya me fe wo papa mama papa sa ka sa amin chida no ahana nyansani beteni atwere konkono kan ye na nya me wo fa se ne kenkan ye wasi nyansa bi anim no ani ndi bible asam ye tro no akwa no friends akwatuntum ya obako quotation master etwere ne kase boni nyina hini ani sika pe a mo se ye nkwase ase wo monti ase na ebinie obi anu a wo mpeska enyina ti adwumanti ni aba but ibetuma ka to bi se ojam de o peska rough moment abati so ojam peska na ye wo adwene bia ye nim se ofaso peska ne ye kasa okay ndi eya na kasa ene ne nchirase ense akanfo angasa ye kasa no ye kasa obi pade a na mini no ase ompe kwampa so na hwehwe ade no eno ne yese ye boni hini ebi ne akwa yi ayi onse wako obi dem wako to so ne ka wada ho na esuko no ma wafa ti ne question ayi busa no kan yo se me fai se ubusa me a me de be ma no means ade ne da ho no mu nipa kura ma ne na se wa musa won so na ye ne sa ayira nso de ya ne wafa na onim de ade ne ya na onim anko mfa nkan nche nzo obusa me de a ni se nipa na musa wo de a wadamfo dem akọ na ade ne yo wa wia nti abrantia no dim se nka sa asu ni be wo ne mu na nyame na aja wafa we so de atia ne se mo mfa na bra bonko me no ka se bi kura busia nim se wote sa badaba se ne ye be yi no afirim ni aka wo on de oye good wonti ase akura bia ni wa wosi so a onyantete ye wo fie a obi fie kura sa ye dem sa obego atu a certain level sem ko bo game ye si so ye se akura bo ne ye bo game ni ye ko bere ne ye nya kwansa ne akọ game center akotua ne atena wa abobi ba ne awo no ma me dem ana dan amasi a mo bo game o ne den ma ye se ko go ma me ti obabuwa ma be obefenti obi ma me dem na ade yera ne ye kan sei ebi na asie ene nkura ba ntetea ene nkura ba ekire ni bo ya be ka bia no se bi obi atuma to game no se be bobi na be ma ate se wo no ato game no ubuza so nya scan free na to game sankofo no so o magu dia ye game scammers no o magro ye game awia na nipa nyina ko nyuma so akope brabo no na o mto obo game ni obetima hye na ma ate to o machidi na ya hyehye o mntama ni ye sepo nwan ni ye no wahye no jimisa no mo de abonti aduro nwumre no afa de adwuma yeni akwa aba wo beda no sa nwumre na no mo haki nipa ai edi moment a ne o mo bo no nim ne ekoso eduo ni ho na hunu sa da bibia me fa sha na sebe abrabo bo na
nya wani ma ya wotu we sie pesa abrabosi wie na wo hia me na kan fo kire mbwa enkoye ma e da ka ba ma na obe hia wo fa na mtima bobo ye mo be kan kwase asema kire me you can free kwam ne mra mbwa sa wotu we awade hunu ne mobo no ma we nya sua de osoro akasa ne ho nti wonhwe ne bia nsi bie na bia ne yebesi biem no wonya ho mfa mekire na yewuo buzaza sa de we na nhyehyɛ wo so ne sɛ miama moja sɔfo ma obewu a ka frisi agye wo kora nkenye wuo na abewu de ɔmo mani mro mo so munya ni beresu emfiri ɔmo mu so ɔte ase no mfo ɔmo nsa nso adwuma because osoro aka kyerɛ sɛ ne nsa anya adwuma na ni kwa sɛ yɛ de edidie de mfo so sɛ de nsa ne bɛyɛ adwuma na sɛ ɔde nsa ne so bibi na nyame wɔ mu a ɛdane sɛ bo ade na bɛfa ɔte ase na ase itimi ka kyerɛ sɛ bɛfa ne atwa mu for ni tu awurade so for ni tu ene mrante ne tem
so nya 18 years na
na ye den kwasi akasa sa nya 18 years no na chen mi ame no
anyway nya 18 years na chen
na mi ano no awa na mi ano no
20 years dey ano I had in the back
you stop like this
some of them
everywhere we go you stop
and to see let's start near the blewa aka say untimi nka profuna start
I think from some posts says I don't think this is spiritual, just that it was actually not maybe it wasn't tightened the finger, and also that he has actually he has a problem with blood circulation. That's why you know say and circulation na kawano na say eyenisa ana say bia na kawano na say na kwase yene dia na for dia na wakakofante chrono. Isaac Nemo says what is it Bobby? Anyway, I don't know what you really want to say. Diana Mano said, my beautiful queen, Diane, please tell Offa that I love him. Basa. Ojam, I'm loving you nowadays, so please don't change. Obi say, I nearly stopped watching the show because of Ojam, but now he has changed. Sa pepe. Never was sa, but answer me was some family story we wrong. A year, the same Ukalama Kumakumi and Sanso so is to Edio Moko, water, again should be doing
that. Hey, war baby, we school, a jack, kakra, what's me at Tia, baby drissa. Na abaye yi akoto nsuo mu amensuo afa no enye se we de ente se ba ko no a na no apam de ne e kase se de asi aye no eno no ekoba ase nkwada no ne se o mu kodware nsuo mu ne kwan so o mu ko ne hunsem bebre we de abaye yi wo so wo na fuom wono a wo ye senior high school ni a wo final year no o wa fuo na fuo no odua nkuruma e na o se wo ko no akwa ni nkuruma no aso a wokono akwa twetwa bia na waba beton ne nyina ye ni school no ho neoma wo mse aban afa bi de ne so neoma nkitingiti bo ha obehia obetuatua book to past questions ne san neoma no wode asoso soso bi na nka akọ afedi abaye yi eni enipa edu ena omkokotena akodo so na sa akodo yi a wo mo eti ensuo ye Volta Lake so ewo Kpandu eho ena ensuo yi from ajampantrudu bi eboye ema eyiri afa wo mo ye kasa ye nipa nsia a na wo mo ete eye subonto isu de wo mo enyom tie didim abaye na nipa miensa ena wo mo de wo mo antimi anka ejeyi abaye di ene Evelyn Gadajo a sabre ye kasa yi abaye ato nananom ewo ensie do a aye arehosem na emom matimi anya na mu no ama wayi na mu no kọ Pandu one more chirwa sabri
Papa amen
me don't be just saying so funny pastor
so be fa
I didn't say
agro na ye de Ghana abibire mu se beta frache gimi yente so
but is it wrong for us to swim?
It is not wrong. That's the reason why there was swimming pool to go there dalia
there's difference between the swimming pool
and lake ane airport ane ne yekeka ho ye wo nsuo bi wa utini din a de omu ade kura fa respect man all right ndie omu ni madware wo de okọ bible nu kura yes Peter Paul mo Peter enom ne ade no omu ti nsuo so no omu yi mpata mpanimfo omu agene mu do ewo nsuo mu nimde ne ko nsuo so wo ti asem na se eno na ma Kristo ho ye onwanwan no because ye ya adwuma no so adwuma ache ya ye nsuo no so adwuma ache ye buma mpata ye nimtama ye buma mpata ye nimba bia wo kwa obenya mpata ni bi yakoni nyina yanya bi na wo ba ne ya na ase mfa ngu ano ha ya ne yetima buma bi ene nyame be ni because omunnim de boro so na asukonu ma bia chese wu ni nsuo hu nto de da no no ana wo komu ene abu aya yanyi ayi madam tumi wo ba bi o tumi e wo ba bi yesu sa no yesu kura ka na uduru bridge so kura ba ben na bia na nsuo ne ne medware sa hu hu na ne hye mu men na ya nyini kura na yeduru nsuo so a ye ba ben because ye nsuo na da ho na nso bi tim sa bi ntimu a ankosikani ne nyale kwata e watra kunkunu mu awurade asem na ya nka ntrense koda subontin yo da mu mprenso e so ofri nsuo no mu fia wo kata be kode na ewo nsuo no me sa kwata yale ye di jimisa ni suatra se ne ya no ma betena se quotation master mu be ye ni bi suatra ntino ye bu bibia nimtia obi timi ye bone ne afra nsuo anto nsuo anya ma mi kro mu nsuo nsuo ni hobi na obi wi ade ni e di kosia keka atofo mu abre nsuo ni nyina ho na atima nya connection na achi nipa koraba na ekum no nipa da so mu ade e di bia nu anya ewiase we nananom mpanyimfo titire nim de no ekogu nsa na omo asole sebe tafracha yesra ni diem kasa biji se mikro mahene na nagosi ba afo bosompra obekọ adua mahene na berma sawe de otumfo se tutu ababi opia na mbo mu ase aka wasem kakra mefuma na ade ache na atuma tutu tata abrame yakase na mesra me kwa obehwema so obeyede o mfie nzuo ni ndi na timi tutu tata akọ ni ani bira ba no yagoka bibi a kire nsuo die na wom a bibire mu nipa aba de yemu hi nsuo hi obe kwa broche nsuo aso wo de yenya ye dwale mbran na wonya video wa broche a wo se sa suko no ma no gu apo sa no no mu bi ye twen sa mata ma akeki no e no mu de o mu ski hwan ni ski hi ayi no ma ko chini wo so no ma ba ga be hu ya soja fo sa mpan fo nim so mo dwale aso we no mo ye navy fo no mo ne ko nsuo nduba wunu buroni akro open nsuo no je swimming pool ane aye ne kakraka ye design ne kama no mu gum no mu dwale ya ha de jimini sika kakra be ya de nti wo kan ya se menka
ene
na ko je nsu gasie we hu a ni bufo nim ne obetima ye wo muna hunim so wo muna wo sere hunim so wo sere wo do nipa hu hunu uni za nim de ni nyatam bia na ko nsuo ho yesu sa ye timi ka cho se na ye nkwafom ewesi na mikro mbedi akokọ okọwe edu friday ye nkwafom ewo ye okrobu akwasi ada ye nsi afuom eye dabone wo dia se mpanyimfo timi widi hunu ni nyina ntu kwa ohene be me aboka ene sa de no to ne mbra he da bi obi fa ne kan tia no ko na mu busu no mame bibia no enkura ne ekura so oyo nipa na wo wiase na awurade gya usunsum na sunsum ne ntinya nipa nya ne betuma sole ya tia de ne ehunu se obodua no de sunsum bi jai eti na ade dua ne fra de bi a etimi sa yale no eye sunsum bi ekura ne ntia du sole fa do ma ko gina dua bi ahun se mi twa opesa de ne nto wo ahabaye wo nwura mu kakei wutumi posa na de afrensuo wo de frensuo na asa yale ya tete ya yesu sa ye ko afom ade etimi twa na papa tete e champo no wa hwe no wona num na ne ntasu afre champo no no de akiri kuro no so beba na anim nyina muntum kama etidie na wa champo no me kan ntasu etimi muntum ayi ni panza jimisa edia wasro mo jese me nioma bebre omo ya anyame mo bobiom wo faze wo mo makwa yi za amabre yesro mo pa omo nya sa asu no niamfa ni die ma de bi atwedi ampon boye yamfa respect man ene nipa timi bu ne nsa na wada nzuom bu ne nsa ni ye ko dwale no akobi ubozo abo pada hye ne pampers kama ofrise no an na odi akoda nzuom se twon na nzuom ne sabeta frache se na tiwade no ofrise da de no uja na bufua de na besie ya di innocent fo nyina abefra woti asem na se ye wosuo bi wo kure mpemoja ade atwa obi ekuro da obi na ho ubozo akoto no watu nsuo ne ekuro na kobere ne moja na kanzuo no ofise de na besie ni nyina wo so oba kuro ma busa oba kwasem history ni ankancho ye wo nsuo bi wo mpeda asen obi timi se na afuo mu nkuko ni fie nkuko nyina kwa wuru ni nsuo ne ho ni wo hunu da asen na wo kwase de na nsie
ene
wotu asem na se obi timi se sa ne niam akwasi ni nsuo ye wa kura se ye si niam wo nsuo ye wo nsuo bi wo chi oba asimu ade te se pant uboze wonso no woko dwe ase ni ye afusa gu nsuo ni mu ana ofrise so ohunu ade na wo mpe na ode aba na ade na besie yati kroma ye wonso bi akogina ho na abo nsu fufuro din a ebeda ne ntokwa bibi besi wo ha yenim ugina sa nsuo na abo nsuo ba akudin omo nka kura me mpesa meka ne ha unya bo din a wo na ogina ho ye so ba be yira fawo iko waka na chiwade atre no na afede na yati wi asa ye ntimi nsu asa na de yato ni nyina akuni suatra
na me me mabo braka kakre ese die
fathers
ensu afafa na wo so
ensu a etwa mu ahia obi abana mamre obi a answer of working obi a won chi wade obi won mo a ya wada yinkum obi a ukada yinkum
sa
obi a fiada yinkum sa ba enam se empanin semne se be so ma fara se nsu ni de eye nsu da wo sa bit ma ye de ope dabi ya boda nsu so de gi na ho me ene da wo no so ne ne ma ne na busuafo eye ni bibi etisi yanka nje se ko enkom na ya ko wemu a wo be problem ye kurom ensu da wo ye ho fe
okay
ana wo wapi du kwada ye nkom wo fe edu efiada ye nkom de edu fiada no wo ye di obawu na mansisia ye fam konsu no etu di ko nwa oba ye no a konfo bu ye kurom wo ye fe na ekwebedu na akomna tesiri so wasabi nsuna beka cho se wonya o mansisia de na ko mu ene ni nyina no etu ni na tuagu
na konfo be kan ma me kra be ese na sia
ene tu ni ana
for bere
bese no basia
ana ye putu fry
putu what
putu fry I go to putu fry
so you have putu fry
ya to amamri na tuagu na ya di adre na de bu e bra
so that's the English word
you have putu fry there
is putu fry
miss yeah I go to miss yeah putu fry thank you very much yeah this guy you are very much thank you what is one guy na ye tata mo ni ye di ensoni ni ye di o mo se no mo se ni ye di ni ene ye ni bola no ko gum because be bi fa mo e fa se bi so wo ko bi chow
sa
wo de ko gum
ene
what is mo make enti ye na ye emledru se ye sa amamere no na no tumfo na mpa chewo se no fa kan ye edu ba bia o konsu twa no mo hye makoma sesese 8 e bia pade ye de emano
mama ye mu eye ya mamu
yes because I ne to kura pai ya hwe nche no ene kura bom to pantem 17 no se be so no nya menses ene o de ko dali mu apa
quickly I want to read WhatsApp messages now from my last story Emro because Brofo Meno and Edru no good morning Diane and your crew I'm John Love from Chronom Ojam should learn from Ofu because the way he makes his comments is not really good at all. That's your opinion, but Omunina so intimate and yepe or no a bomb thrower. Oh, may his soul rest in peace. But Ghana, we are not serious, so we are not a serious country. Emmanuel Danso of Obwase for so Munina. I have this one say, please stop bringing food. Oh, come on. I did a couple of quotation master bar program, so don't call him a fool. Don't insult him. The opinion, I didn't share and her utterance. So I said, stop bringing fools like quotation masters or on your program. Alright, so I have this one says, good morning, dear, please, I want your number. Okay, we shall see. If you get to the point, quotation master is on point. Ujam is an illiterate and doesn't actually know what he is saying. Stop bringing him on the show. We will bring him, okay? Phenomena from God. So this man don't know what he is saying. Quotation master message is not endorsed, but me last story I made a brewer and sana. Ya sorry Jumedi so I don't know. Ye babe no Angler. Make an Angler, ye babe can profo. And same. Medical edin same be abetu ya kana kwesa sama for shedad wo money esin so sika bebre ba wunye woto nyum da ben anyuma woto no ntima wo sika bebre ti se wonye sika we no ma kese akese enchi bi atese oda so kwa abuchi so mai atese o mai kra ya otu kwa o mai but ti see medical dia ba betu just share wo family interview na so be bisa me sika sema I walk out and I say dey me feel because we feel say me sika sema and come interview it says someone that's journey be great
say rumors why say rumors ben ya otefa ho enya no kra opesa wo magana for say masa mo tin say mo ya forget enya no kra. What rumors do you hear about you are opesa o kan wase
rumors ni e be brain e be aka was specific one be
especially said ye otie no na said ye wo ye ho no. A lot of people think say I say oh no how we nya usika no na say kra on guy nya beef kakra yi ono kra address we say fraud money na dey. Can you address that issue once and for all? Now omo aye omo say sika na wo no your fraud money no, you clear that thing from their minds.
Honestly, me whole life the last time I made him in Saka from fraud. I say me you so I just will be every money I spend like flashy everywhere they go. If it's from my music, straight from music. Recently I went to America, I booked the ticket from my iTunes TuneCore. I had over $40,000 in my TuneCore, you understand? So it be music. I won't make every youth understand say you go fit do music and then get money genuinely, you understand, from shows. And then it's not just from shows, from brand endorsement and stuff. The next time I will go any radio station, I'm saying this here on Nana Romeo's show, Accra FM, that anybody will go ask me about fraud, I will just walk out of the radio station, because they not for do that. If they give the youth the perception, say if you do music say for
medical say one of the about show some business I had your beef.
And this medical, you're a very good boy.
He's a very good boy.
Yeah.
What makes me a very good boy?
Medical is the too close for me there. You are lucky.
You are close with medical.
Yeah, you are lucky. You are this boy. You are lucky.
Oh.
You are lucky. You are very medical. You are very unlucky.
You are very what?
I like it. I'm like it.
So you like it?
You like it.
You like him.
You like him.
So you like him rather. No, you like him.
Medical, you are feeling. You are really feeling medical. Me or just media. You are very I'm feeling medical. Oh, you are very so beautiful. My. You are Miss Baku say, would you mean this boy? You are very good. You are interested for me or medical. You are very interested.
So
he's Ghana everywhere say too much. You Ghana you are influenced too much. But maybe they influence too much. Oh, medical. Tamchuku.
So you are done.
You are done.
But if you want to ask one, can be good.
Dan! I'm tired.
Let me listen to you.
I'm tired.
Dan.
What's your opinion about what medical just
I'm tired.
said?
Dan, I don't get it.
So let me get it.
Each and everyone want to be prosper. Or we want to be rich.
Okay.
But if somebody is richer, we just want to tag the person with occult.
Okay.
Why?
But when the person is poor, we don't say that the person
I don't get it.
gone for money or probably medicine for money.
Diane, I don't get it.
When you are poor, it's not juju. But
when you are rich, it's juju. And each and everyone want to be rich. So I don't get it. So a time will come, if of Olumba become rich, they will tell me.
They won't understand. They won't know. They would love to know how come you are rich. What makes you rich? What did you do to become rich?
And it's negative thinking. Ghanaians is not good at all. Dana, it's not good. So can you tell me medical is richer than David in the Bible? Medical, is he richer than David in the Bible? So why did not that olden days? Why did Daniel Mo and Saul and you must say that David too is occult? God can do more than that. So they should stop that nonsense.
And I know
Ghanaians should stop that because
it's not good. They have to stop.
They want to know. They know Ghanaians are probably assuming that you are just a common musician, an ordinary musician, Ghanaian musician, and the kind of things that you buy Gucci, Dior, expensive things, expensive necklaces, expensive watches, expensive shoes and dresses. The cars that you drive. All of them, they want to know where you get your money from.
Diane.
Listen, the kind of job you do can't fetch you such money to buy this expensive stuff.
But you know the work that we are doing, the money cannot cater for us as we see.
Yes.
We pay base.
Yes.
We buy car.
Yes.
We pay school fees.
Yes.
We pay water bill. You see, but by the end of the month, no.
Listen, if we're fine, the kind of job you're doing, upon all the bills that you pay, then at the end of the day, people will see you driving Rolls Royce. They will start asking questions.
That is the reason why every person you have to create links in life, because your business cannot cater for you.
So what if medical has the lens and people are really supporting?
That's
so why they saying?
That's the stupidity that I'm telling Ghana. They should stop that. It's not good. They should. Are you trying to tell me that we have a Ghana member who is rich than David Ba Solomon? Is somebody in Ghana here who is rich than Solomon? That's wait, Diane. When I'm speaking English, I hate laughing. I'm very serious. When I'm speaking, I hate laughing.
I'm laughing.
You see, I'm not a Kwesi Broni, and I'm not a tech campus lecturer. You see that thing? I bet anybody else you can anybody. Oh, what man something you are? Oh, everybody are go. It's not good at all. Dan, it's not good at all. But I will advise my niece, medical. The way they spend their money, make people say that.
Yeah, that's why.
You see, it's not easy for a man to get money. It's not easy at all. So the moment you get money, you need to spend it for me to see that you suffer before you get it.
Yeah.
I hope you are here with me. You can't speak, so as a make an how. May that be? Maybe let me check Ghanaians. I want to show Ghanaians that the way I speak with passion in G, the same way I speak in passion with English. So I will not let the English will limit me. Yeah. To overcome me, you get me? As it overcome you. If it is you and going in Java, no. Kada so patia. Yoko, entino, bra. Nyaya catch medical. He is good to go.
Go English.
Yes.
Medical. Did you speak English?
Diane.
You couldn't even finish.
People are serious listening to me. Please.
Listen.
No finish.
Go on.
Medical is good to go. He shouldn't give his attention to others.
Okay.
In Ghana here, whatever you do, people will talk about it.
Okay.
If you have money, they will say he's rich.
Okay.
If you don't have money, they will say he's poor. You see that thing? So I'm here to tell medical and me want for Kenya say they should go.
Blending the tree.
Yes, okay. They have to go forward. They shouldn't listen to others. Okay. It will not help them. Okay. If you are living if you are my overseer and you get money where I not understand that, I have to come straight to you and tell you or ask you that my brother, where you are going far. So I shouldn't come to air. Where do you get your money from? What do you mean? What do you mean?
Medical, you applaud them. You are medical, you are sent to court.
Who you send to court?
Yes, I get you. The medical you send a guy who is asking that question to court.
To court.
You see that thing?
You have brought them, you are sent them to court.
Yes, it's not easy at all. What's that make? Jam their neighbor or so Diane. And then you see that thing, and also you see that thing. So Diane, I'm telling them yes. To be honest, let's put jokes aside. Yes, once you are from 4 for no SHS. Yes, from 4 for no SHS. So you see that thing. Ghanaians to be very serious. Sometimes we need to wish our friends, our brothers good. You see that thing. When your brother get to a certain level, you cannot get there or you cannot reach there now. You need to appreciate the person. You need to tap some of the blessing. So what you have now so the co-winning, but we don't know how to do it.
All we know is
to just bring you down. We always want to bring you down. In Ghana here, I didn't know.
But people stay here. You are Ghana. You are every condemn. Every day condemn. Every day condemn. How?
If it is not Ghana, I don't know. Say Nyami Shenipa. Say Ghana ha.
Look at you.
A frama bro for your day. They were born. Down, you see. So I'm telling all the Ghanaians. I pray dear how there be he
so I've opened my telephone and it's okay because I can see that this my offer it has done so well. But
yeah.
Absolutely.
Me was that me?
Oh, but what did you say? You didn't say anything.
Me?
I didn't even hear a single word that you said.
Young bro for dear, send you from 4 night bro.
I don't understand.
English for here.
Oh no.
English for here.
Yes, English for here.
How?
The final story, probably the last story, is English. You're supposed to do it in English.
No,
so
tell me language.
Able to, what kind of brofo is that?
You can't brofo to say what?
You can't brofo on my echo so.
This is
brofo dear.
Why?
Can we have my echo so my checo? Me and my free man.
Hello, good morning.
Yeah, good morning.
My dear Pachoma, me too.
Yeah, good morning.
Good morning, my dear Pachoma. Go ahead.
Good morning.
Me Pachoma, me too on Kapa Yonko.
Hello.
Hello, good morning. I can hear you. Go on.
Good morning. Yeah, morning. The name is Joe. Me have free action after mama. Yeah, then about the family to the dear movie. The Queen and your say, Mama program here. If you find this here, let's also Obama, a year of our from Oma can be here because a match program, Nakata, a year the program here, the commercial of I do be here. My brother, you so that we don't know if I do be on my program.
Yeah, that's it, thank you so much.
I'm so my channel, the Queen and don't and okay, the bomb of us program that my Yamisha.
Hello, good morning. Hello, good morning. Hello. Oh, good morning. Good morning. Hello, good morning. Okay, say Onkasai, the Tomko says is right, but he has to actually, there's nothing, your message is quite a very lengthy one. Pastor. Good morning, Yamiato.
First is our Ghana had on the brain, and they almost mean anything about it. So, this is the TV today, yeah, and I'm going for your float, go for your float. In Jersey.
Ghana by Mission, thank you so much. Hello, good morning.
Float.
Hello. Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, madam. Hello.
Hello.
Hello, good morning.
Hello.
Good morning, Pacho. Eat you.
Yeah. Diane. Yeah, good morning, Diane.
Good morning.
My woman.
Nyame adom me ho ye Pacho ko so eat you why.
Oh. Hello, I can hear you.
Good morning. Good morning. Oh, what's wrong with my line? Also, Pacha Metsuonka.
Talk to me.
Good morning. I can hear you, sweetheart. Metsuonka Yenko. Boko Yenko.
Hello, everybody.
Mehoye Kasa.
Talk to you.
Oh my God.
Talk to me, and I talk to you.
You people are making us happy. God bless you. Master Sir is from Raxi Magister. Good morning, my dear Pacho Miteo.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, Pacho Miteo.
Hello, good morning.
Good morning, we are.
Go ahead. Oh, I think that the lines no more. Now, one hour say.
No money at Jama. Or Casacra.
Yeah, but I do it. That's it. Of a child, I make a message this way. Why must you ask someone source of income Ghana pa Jimmy Nkwa 7 producer of Bosti anyway about Mommy Kate say Ojam I'm disappointed in you. You can't speak a little bit of English. Yes, you won't be in camp of a crowd. I'm the son of Kofi Meku Ojam common English. You can't speak. Today's English was so sad. You watch him. Dynamite also of another book is contradicting himself. Is command young people. Okay, I think I will skip it. Yes, if you are encouraging young people to actually do this, blah blah blah. But then at the end of the day, you know, if you over brand our lengths now and go for boa, and this is here said if you are papa for to talk as a check of way. Nipano, or one length no, and that's all lengths no. A quantity change. In your opinion, in your baby, if you the rich, son of a patron, and see, and you say we are pretty lengths are a or how a bell. Make sure say RNG from Latif for Babeka, so one more amount. I have this one of 4 offer. You are too much. It's from a junior offer. English pa. This Koowa Show. It's superb. That's your opinion. We love you. I have this one that says, oh, may her soul rest in peace. But Ghana, we are not serious as a country. Emmanuel Danso from Obuasi. Emmanuel yet was say audio message about. Yeah, but call offer.
Diana, me am offer say apostle Kodisafo. Papa your kai.
Yeah.
Or share no pe bia ade nyankopon hia no. Ya dane pa onto nenkom. Na nipa mbese me hunu wi ase ba akono no. Apostle Kodisafo and the chief imam. Ompa e ba no wode. Yes. It will be a chief imam wo nkran bia no just onko emkoma no. Na apostle so mechia no. Na fe Reverend Moses Poku so wo hwe nyame ahia me amana hwe obi. Odifo na na ye bo awemfo ba wo jape krom. And the part education conference yes CEO Jeffers ono so ewo say Techimai ono so hwe ya no pe Awurade Nyankopon hia no goso man hene na akwasi ba fo so mpra abi obi am na so nkoso
right so man come up
na me kan umuna anti
say girls are mo ladies of po asem nyina na pia go jina say what is happening
me disappointed mo no get to say no disappointed me no disappointed who's my voice intino.
This is not a matter of the voice.
Oh, voice na. Friday over to
me church will be simple.
Friday over to Nenka.
Your first number is fashion Kumasi Amekom. Come and see you on 0268505021. Now all your African clothing on your informal. As now come and lead your cosmetics Kumasi City Mall, Mana Beauty Parlor, Ewoya Amekom. The really opposite the Manak St. Paul's College Church, so one of the home Manak. As that echo Emma Obibia GB, your Facebook lovers and all that. Those of you that brought your messages, your opinion, your comments, those that share the program as well. Love to say thank you so much. God bless you for doing that all the time. Monday, Yebeba, Mamma Fair Insha and Koma Kukubo for Ena Afe, no interest on Koma Bomb so him and I Memoachi, Edia, Ubia, and Mamma Kitty, so Yamisha, Baby, said that I know. Which is very nice to know at this Subway. My producer, Queen AJ Hipsy, and our executive producer, some darkos, our fame, the PM, Chinos, Loretta, New Game, MCR, and my director, camera, Kobe Frank. We need Diane, a Jada,
so I'll shoot you straight.
William Pempen so adure. Me kwa ko fa me de hye me bibini se broni aho ofedua no. No abesi trododo amatoa.
Pia. Anima, nada.
Surprise 3 days in the minya malaria. No my god, ti me kase po.
Me ntwe kuda malaria akura no me ni bedi pa.
Aso, me na ya brempon katachie. Me nim sanya me tie nti no. Me ba no, me boa me ho. Aso adro ni nie Dawood Herbal Mixture adro wi me yire dom sima
Azokonofo wa mama ji wedi Dawood eba me cha dia ma me di hye ya kire se okwa obetima ahwe ne so yie bra bema me de chew Dawood eba me cha sahwini na do ni ni
Enkratoi FD agiatu
Adi Oi Honey and never surprise oh Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules and no who dreaded there you could brew unsa dawo complaining with sisini kokoa pe ajiwakade Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules and no who drink a sepan ne you could brew willing a yama money mema Edusa herbal mixture any Edusa herbal capsules a yoko ni sisiya drink a sepa
Edusa herbal mixture.
Any Edusa herbal capsules. Miss Roxnasi. Namen seven.
Edusa herbal mixture. Any Edusa herbal capsules. Emma meme jina brand. Na yeme.
Na Edusa ya wasese me blabo we.
Sweetie, maybe come on mama adwamwa.
Hey! What dance ye? Aye chuma.
It's a living testimony. Kone kwa judi.
What kaki? Yeah,
Sandra. Obie Timinumbi. I just attend for one woman for down for any the onion fear do me.
FDA. Ahwehwe sa adwade nkrato yi mu. Agye atum se eye.
Kumawood TV. Amansane. Yena yedimu.
As mama, Miss Sanso et heavium. Me catch us say any RNG formula T4. Evacuation come on and see one representative ABPM Elfia. You be sure more products no dear you be on ma what did you know on you to be that Obi also saw only products no crown at the buy dear ye pote and say ne ripen up by quickly no man of carbon nothing no on one castano only abo a year RNG formula T no and come on Mammy patch more caba yeah patch your boko dear Yeka RNG formula T ya wada roma bo hunko boka krapa shoye.
RNG formula T no. T mi ensemble a doctor be a friend of a friend yakutedi abeboja.
Okay.
Na de ni je wa hono say. T no de Ghana haba manko na aye. Na waye no kwan e be fa so a.
So na obi ehu ade no senia esite.
We no ye friend yakuteti. We no cardiovascular diseases say akumayare obi an pressure e was through afi obi won so na was sugar problem into regulated blood sugar
okay
ebi was problem with obesity na dey nje wo hu ne say or the hibiscus subdarifa no dey aka ho aye aduri say aduri so ye ma yakoma ene ya pomudin e fa na esichire ho
okay
na ye women's formula Men's formula no so the odi abebodwa eboa prostate cancer. Na the ene say bra obi yin no ondu age be 40 no na ne prostate no enlarge.
Okay.
Enlarge no eno na ekonanima afa de na ma start enya problems e be ma na enya prostate cancer. Enti we no odi haba mabru dumienu e na e de aye. Ginger ka ho. Atadwe ka ho akakadru afi ode yan yenimi e de aka ho ani nro bebre so pameto bi anim sa agidin se eye emema ho adru nti ode ni nyina aka se na ebe ya ebe boost emema immune system na afi a prevent prostate problems no na so bi wo UTI so na enkwa e wo niema vitamins ne minerals a ema body ni timi kuti asade no nti edrowe ya tatahwepa wan o yusu bibia obia ni wa wonya problem obia ka ho asem se aboa ne pa ene ye wo women's formula
okay
women's formula no so ya hwa hu se emma no won ka yen yare ho nsem bebre te se obenya menopause ana se ni moja minka ne se menstruation mu na mayi o menstrual pain obi ba wo after some time ana bibia emma we no enso ye women's immune booster
okay
ehye ya wodi enum nsem yi se na ebe ya obi menstruation ebe bayi
eni be ye fe
okay afi ahwodin wom
okay
say be a person of fire from crowd beating. Now there any Joe when I say, one menopause and a menopausal syndrome or found hormones in your normal. It's when need you compare. And also the kakadru. Any hibiscus and yeah, wisa. And I
okay. Obi on ma otiano, especially with the women's formula. No, I'm a woman, so I just want to take the women's formula. Fine. Obi share a nay die a decay, a dray, and I say tea on bida. Last, I think about 2 weeks ago, I was asking doctor about it to say, Obi per se on ma, a quiet bank soon or befa, no. Fine, matowe, me any day. Me found two to you. Me fan to shame, me fan milk and come me any day. Tell us a quiet breakfast or benmo a year formula tea.
Sa formula way no man yadi. Dear, your pan is a stainless steel cup. Okay. And it's fit to come.
Stainless a day. Down
copo, and as a kappa, and moonrise a silver and a woman. Okay. And it teaches to come on. Sa cup and on a day. And as a ceramic kappa. The obedience of the tea in me and Nubegum. Okay. Now, in sure boiling water, no way she goes. Okay. Now I can tassel 10 minutes. What tassel 10 minutes and I drone the baby in a bem. Now we be so. Would be a super. Obamanajo kaka, eating if you Obamanajo kaka. Not afraid of one. Normally, I'm person with you when you man brought 10 minutes because sugar ni milk is winning. A year do kind. Into the tea ni good man brought 10. I normally no. And my other things to be a friend of tannins, a bem, a very irritated with digestive system. So normally, you didn't run as a pepper, not a drone year, you man casa.
And see, what do you choose to she must say, yeah, now we'll be no own for sugar to
family and canning, Bibian, come on, so venomous. And one, now you want you man.
Let's say somebody has pressure and I said diabetes, yeah, DB, I was be one. Or also no, I couldn't was on from Lanty.
Nay, a drone. Near what problem war pressure, honey, Yamputati. Okay. And no, so pressure no a lower, wintimino. We sugar so a lower, wintimino. Okay. Anti a high blood pressure. And no be any sugar was through. No bitter. A boy none pepper, no, my friend, madam. A drone manage home pa. You will be crow afraid. None Johnson bath for many days. Obey them poem we say a circulatory problem. And so better hibiscus tea. 2 days pepper or seeing Johnson a dribble. Wow. Not a clear system no neighbor, no the apple for so betubi. Into the problem I want one a blood thinner. You know me and sunning and a blood thinner. Blood thinners and so won't me no bra when you drove it to say aspirin. And in Nubia a blood thinners. And no pen a problem I want. Apart from that, we need problem be not a year drew a year you must supply.
I don't say a juma, my so Obi or say, ah, make sure I deal with CDC. I find a many beato, a hen and menko. A renewable market, no more, or drugstore be a benebi, or coffee must be a benebi, or a bash of your benebiana. How is it like? How are people going to get it?
And no pen and hard drink a crack. I will Kumasi had their shop back of pay. HSA consult, or canteen chrono. Almost pet, but what fra, dispatch rider or bit media delivery for home bit media bro. Now, bass I shop in India, Ubenya de Upebia, say woo too, and now say, wo useful for personal week. Now, you will guide this way a bit media more because I'm a naturopathic doctor.
I didn't now, one per se a drone base so available all over the place. I'll be bit maybe than only one shop. Let's say Metibe Pechi number 2, Metibe Bofiedo, Metiamia Quanta, maybe I have to travel all the way to Kumasi and send Metimia Beato.
You go so young when she say, Nadia Tierney said, a bin master tea ye be firm. Into a baby, I can a bit media kugu. Ye the kogu be a year, way, sati way be. Or the hibiscus account. Who says Obolo woman, hibiscus and any sobolo? Or the Biafra. Oh, the tunes you man, a back cocoa, a drone is a drawback on the air. Into Panama some faso, to ensure that you get the right product. Into Namana Banasa, but I know you crash up me and no one means a baba come once over tomato.
When on my telephone number, a bit too jam, mammy and son, say, be sorry, I sorry, and I so make me before, or bet me a can, and son.
Yeah, HSA Consort Limited, your telephone number 0243 611 641. 0243 611 641. Na 0507 611 641. Na nya meka metimi aka etwa to ne say eduro yi enye eduro a ye betimi de atoto fom eye eduro a Yankopon adom na abeka Ghana fonsa me ankasa me researcher na chiwo pata me research ba me ye hwehwemu wonu no mu no na me ye se me bombodin abohu dewura ma no nti eduro no nya eduro a ebetimi ama obia problem ebedi ye yare no hujuma ntimi me say Ghana for say mo mfa say nnuro na aba no wa packaging fefe to say the fia bruchi so ye Ghana hayi if say ye ni so Ghana for ne pe say ye boa won so no say at the power ha.
Okay, numbers ni bi masana ya
0243 611 641 0507 611
641 and so would answer my friend number na fe no do bi a wo pe no ye de marketing chrono NHS office the same e wo fra your delivery guys for ma ye de bro him we ever ready to save you because wapomoje no ehia arrange from Latin when you be say mommy kan no and say what the betun so we do e betun so a e fu na say fu afaso na fe no wenum na wanom no sugar no milk absolutely nothing just drink it and na one kasabo say e be yen century e wo woni pedie no. I'll say thank you for watching nyambwa ejana yebeba bye.
And Yarwa do obey and a genie pegiano abosso. Yarebi to say, and Yarie, Akumayare, Wadumwatsu, Wuntimin Didi, or Barney Berima Wuntimin war. May comfort a read naturopathic clinic at Dudrona Efraye, Madame Katri Clinic Diamau, Madame Katri Clinic Enam Homeopathy, Naturopathy Subetu Yarenina Efriho. Yane Kofa by the Madame Katri Tonic Abe Jamaiso, a bois yesi pegiano, Nitichu Edema and Ma, one man will feature NCC ye. Sawono Madame Katri Tonica, a bow, Emma Winnie Pegiano, any year now, Boama will feature